Assalamu alaikum students of class 8. We are doing unit number 6 and this is session number 3. We have discussed in previous sessions what is factorization, definition of factorization, types of algebraic expressions and type number 1 and how to solve type number 1 expressions. We have done this. Now in this session we'll discuss type number 2, how to solve such expressions, some examples, and now type number 2, we can take this as regrouping and taking common. In this type, you will observe like we have this type of expression. Observe here, these are 4 terms and in all 4 terms there is no common. In first 2 terms, second, third, second and last, there is no common. But you observe if we regroup so that we'll find some common in each group. Observe here the first group AC plus AD and the second group BC plus BD. In first group you'll observe there is A common but A is not common overall. And in second group B is common in this group. So take these common. From first group we'll take common A, and after taking A common from first term, that is AC, we get C, and from the second term, that is AD, we get D, and in the second group we'll take B common. After taking this common, we take from first term C and we get from the second term D. After that, after taking common, notice here students, the both bracket parts are same. These are the bracket parts and both are same. Again we'll take common it. After taking the bracket part C plus D from both terms, taking common. After that, observe from first term, this is the first term. From first term we'll get A, and from the second term, this is second term, we'll get B. Now these are two factors. The first one C plus D and the next one A plus D. Next, let's try for another arrangement. Student, observe that this is your arrangement. It's up to your choice. You'll take it as you want. Again, we have 4 terms in one expression. Observe here, there is no common overall. But if we grouping it, after grouping, if we make AC plus BC the first group and the second group AD plus BD, this grouping is different from the previous one. Now again observe, from first group C is common, so taking common this, from first term we get A, from second term we get B, and the second group D is common, and from first term we get A, from second term we get B. Observe here again, the bracket parts A plus B both are same. These are the common factors. Take it common. A plus B from first term. Now this is first term. C is the remaining number. C right here. The next, from the second term we get D. Now these are two factors again, a plus b, c plus d. These are the required factors. Now we'll try some examples. First example, we are given an expression 2ab minus 6bc minus a plus 3c. Observe here, student, there is no common overall. As 2 is not common, no variable is common, but if we divide this expression in two groups. The first group is 2ab minus 6bc and the second group is a plus 3c. From first group, observe here, student, 2b is common. So after taking 2b common from first term, that is 2ab, we get a because 2b is common, minus second term is 6bc. If we take 2b common, it means that divide this 6 by 2. So after taking common 2, we get 3 and 3c. B has common. From the next group, that is a plus 3c, observe here, student, there is no common, but minus 1. If we take minus 1 as common, it means that the signs of both terms has been changed. So if we take negative 1 common, from first term we get a, and the second term, that is plus 3c, it has been changed now in minus 3c. Now again observe, the bracket parts that are a minus 3c, both are same. So take it as common again. If we take common a minus 3c, from first term we get 2b. From the second term we get negative 1. So these are two factors that are a minus 3c and 2b minus 1. Next, let's try again. Another expression. We have given ax minus by plus bx minus ay. This is given expression. Observe there is no common overall. If we arrange this expression in two groups, the first group ax minus ay, the second group bx minus by. Now from the first group, a is common, so take a common. From this we get x and minus y. This is the first factor. The next group bx minus by, b has been taken as common, so from first term we get x and the second y. So this is x minus y. Again observe here, student, the both bracket parts are same, so we take it common. After taking common x minus y from first term, now the first term is a into x minus y. From this we get a. Now the second term is b into x minus y, we get b. This is the second factor, that is a plus b. Now we have two factors, a plus b and x minus y. Next example. Next again we have an expression x square minus 7x minus 5x plus 35. No common overall. We divide this expression in two groups. First group is x square minus 7x. It's your arrangement. You can change it if you want. The second arrangement is 5x plus 35. From first group, observe x is common. After taking it common, from first term, that is x square, the remaining number is x. From the second term, we get 7. So x minus 7 is the factor. The next group, 5x plus 35. After taking 5 as common, from first term we get x. Now observe, there is minus sign. Minus means that we are going to change the signs of each term. So minus 5x, after taking minus 5 common, we get positive x. From the next one, that is plus 35. After taking minus 5 common, we get minus 7. Now bracket parts are same, x minus 7 and x minus 7. Take it common again. From first term, that is x into x minus 7, we get x. The second term, that is 5 into x minus 7, we get minus 5. So these are required factors. The next example. Again, we have an expression a square into pq minus rs plus b square into pq minus rs. Observe student, this is very simple. As the common factors, the bracket parts are same. It means that we are not going to regroup it. Take it as it is given. So the bracket part, take it common, that is pq minus rs. From first part, the first term, we get a square. From the next one, that is b square into pq minus rs, we get b square. So this is the second factor, that is a square plus b square. Now we have required factors as pq minus rs and a square plus b square. Now I hope student you can solve exercise 6.3 very easily. Fi aman Allah.